What's up, everybody? MopHead here, and welcome to a special episode of Recipe Reviews. This week we're looking all at Liam Davey, um, aka Sherlock Ohms, aka I'm giving him a new nickname, the Vaping Scribe. So Liam Davey is a great mixer, great guy in the groups. He's been doing a lot of flavor notes and stuff for Chef's Flavors and posting them around in the groups, and they're awesome. They're awesome flavor notes. They're extremely detailed. Yeah, he puts a lot of work into them. So yeah, he's becoming a pretty prominent member of the community, and just a good guy. And I wanted to see, how his recipes were and kind of get to know him. You kind of get to know people a little bit, when you mix up the recipes. So yeah. So this whole week was all about Liam Davey. And so the first recipe we are going to look at is his rice pudding swirl. And it reads 1/4% flavor art black currant, 1% Capella cinnamon sugar silverline, 2% flavor art cream fresh, 1.5% TFA dairy milk, 1% Cupcake World Devon cream, 0.5% DIY Flavor Shack holy vanilla, 0.5% flavor art Jamaican special, 1.5% TFA strawberry, 5% flavor express sweet rice, and 4% Capella sweet strawberry. Yeah, really interesting. So you get this kind of like berry rice pudding, sweet rice pudding type deal. Reminds me a little bit of cream of rice. I don't know if you guys ever had cream of rice. And I know, like, my wife makes it. She puts a lot of like butter and sugar and stuff in it, and that's kind of how this reminds me. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, pretty sweet, really creamy, really nice with that strawberry and that black currant to really like kind of boost up that strawberry a little bit. But really interesting, especially if you like strawberry vapes, you like creamy strawberry vapes, but you're just kind of sick of like straight strawberry and cream. It's a really nice way to go about it. Kind of get that rice taste in there. Kind of changes it up a little bit. What else about it? The spice notes throughout it are really, really subtle, which is really nice. Almost just they kind of like mix in with the strawberry and the black currant. Yeah, so it's not like the cinnamon sugar. You don't really catch a whole lot of sugar or cinnamon in it, or you don't really like taste the rum too much in it. Just kind of just kind of adds these nice like subtle spicy notes. But really nice. Definitely something a little different. Um, yeah, it's really cool. I like it because it's just, I mean, it's a really different way to go about kind of like a strawberries and cream. That sweet rice really adds something different there. So yeah, great job, man. Great job. So that one, I'm gonna give that one a 4 out of 5. And the next recipe we're gonna look at is McAfee. I keep telling you, I'm not interested. Get out of here. All right, what's the next one I was going to look at? Oh, yeah. The next one, really interesting. The next one is Jasmine Coconut Cream, and the recipe reads 1.25% TFA Bavarian cream, 1.5% flavor art coconut, 0.5% flavor art cream fresh, 0.5% Cupcake World Devon cream, 0.75% flavor art jasmine, 1% flavor sweet coconut, 0.75% Inaware Shisha vanilla, and 2% flavor art Vienna cream. This one's good. Yeah, this one is really good. That was a really good idea to go with kind of the coconut, because the coconut also adds a creaminess to it. Wait, so you get this, if you don't like coconut, you won't like the recipe because the coconut's pretty upfront, which I like. I like coconut. So, and Favor sweet coconut's kind of like closer to like that candy coconut. So you get this really nice like upfront candied coconut with really heavy cream, and then the jasmine just kind of really sits in the background. And I really like how he didn't try and bring the jasmine too up front. He kind of just kept the jasmine as an accent. Like you get it mostly on the exhale. Yeah, on the exhale you get that just like slight floralness, which is good because if you ever tried to work with florals, man, it is really easy to screw it up and just it's really easy to screw up florals and then put too much in and then you're just vaping flowers. But he did a really good job keeping it this really nice, sweet, kind of heavy creamed coconut. And then just like on the exhale, you just get that like nice little like jasmine at the end of it. Yeah, excellent, man. Yeah, it was hard to like not when I was vaping throughout the week. It was hard to not just vape the whole bottle because this guy knows how to mix. All right, and then so I guess recipe of the week. Even though honestly, man, all of these are just amazing, but um, this was the one that if I had to pick a favorite, probably my favorite, and this is his mixed berry ice cream. And the recipe reads 1.5% TFA Bavarian cream, 2% flavor art raspberry, 0.3% TFA blackberry, 2% flavor art juicy strawberry, 0.5% flavor art meringue, 1.5% TFA vanilla bean gelato, and 6% liquid barred vanilla ice cream. Sorry, I'm like at the tail end of my sickness today. Freaking kids caught a cold again. Always getting me sick. Kids try to kill you, man. It's a conspiracy. So it's mixed berry ice cream. Um, Really interesting because so he tried to build his own mixed berry, which I think he did a really good job with. It's a little blackberry heavy, which is probably why it's my favorite recipe out of them because I absolutely love blackberry. Some people don't, so if you're not a huge blackberry fan, um, it might not be kind of your cup of tea, but I love blackberry, and that blackberry really comes out. Like everything else just kind of like pushes that blackberry forward a little bit. Then you still get like kind of the mixed berry feel from it too. The ice cream's just done really well. The ice cream's nice and thick. Uh, Nice bit of vanilla in there. So what else? I'm just good. I'm just a sucker for a good like mixed berry ice cream, and I like that he put blackberry in there. TFA blackberry is actually like one of my favorite flavorings. I know it's kind of a bully and it's a really forward flavoring, but I just really enjoy it. So kind of hit me right here a little bit. It's just excellent. It's just a great vape. All of his recipes have they're nice and flavorful. They're not like not overly sweetened or anything. They're just they're just really good. Um, I don't know how to say they're really good. I even rate the last two. Um, yeah, the last two I got to give both of them probably like a 4.5 out of 5. They're just excellent. Um, and that's just because like I don't like to give 5 out of 5s really. I really try not to, even though they're pretty much 5 out of 5. I'm just stubborn sometimes. Man, that's good. Um, so yeah, so kind of nice thing I've said before about doing these like episodes where you just look at a mixers, you really see their mixing style, like mixing up 3 other recipes and then just vaping on them all week. You really kind of see their mixing style. And with Liam, it seems that with the Scribe, I'm calling him the Scribe now, so start calling him the Vaping Scribe. I'm trying to get it to catch on. So Liam Davey, aka the Vaping Scribe. Um, he's really not afraid to kind of go there with kind of more exotic flavors to kind of use something that I'm sure a lot of these recipes he struggled, like went through a few revisions. I'm sure a couple of them, like the first couple of revisions probably did not turn out that good. Like using Flavor Art Jasmine, I imagine you don't just nail that the first try. What else? Like I said, with the mixed berry, that TFA blackberry can be a huge pain in the ass to work with. Using the Flavor Express sweet rice, just really interesting stuff. He's just not afraid to kind of, step outside the box. I really enjoy that. So yeah, this was great, man. This was a great week. I'm really glad I picked Liam Davey to do one of these episodes on. The Vaping Scribe is an awesome mixer. Keep doing what you're doing, man. Keep writing those flavor notes. We're loving them. And yeah, till next time, eat, sleep, mix, repeat. Be good to each other, and I will talk to you all later.